What's poppin', fam? It's your girl Lisa, aka Style of Nature, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing beginner friendly hip flexibility. You have the options of using pillows or yoga blocks for this sequence. My body was very tense and tight in the back area and in my knees, so I decided to stretch my body. You can begin by sliding down on your belly. Take a moment to pause just in your sink pose, pushing pubic bone down to the floor, reaching your tailbone towards your heels, and lengthening up and out, pressing your shoulders down away from your ears. Imagine yourself gripping the floor and dragging yourself forward. And release down. Let's find downward dog. For my plus size fam, please be careful doing downward dog when you are heavier because you can slide. So a little bit of strength definitely required in this pose, but just truly that wonderful full body stretch. I tend to have a lot of tension in my ankles and legs. So you can bend down into your knees. You might feel this on your hamstrings and at the attachment part of the glutes. It might be easy for you to feel the stretch in the back of your legs. See if you can also get it through your arms and through your spine. Don't worry about strengthening your neck. Just let your head be heavy. Relax your facial muscles. Walk your feet forward, ragdoll pose to the top of the mat so your feet can be at least close hip width apart. You can bend your knees, maybe holding onto your elbows. Let yourself dangle and breathe in and out. And again, this might be easier for you to feel this in the back of your legs, but also see if you can decompress along your spine. And sometimes that means you just need to bend your knees a little bit more. You can also grab your ankles, your feet, or wherever is comfortable to you. And we're gonna rock our legs back and forth, and that's just gonna stretch those legs, hips, and hamstrings out. Fingertips down, back to the mat, and we're gonna go right back down to the floor. Let's begin laying on our backs, soles of our feet detached, allowing our knees to flow apart for a butterfly pose. Option here to place pillows under the knees for a little height and added support. Rest your hands where you feel comfortable and slightly breathe in and out. Take a moment to soften the body and shoulders and lower back, softening the spine, utilizing your inhales to create space. Using your exhales to release any of that tension. Softening the legs and the feet. We'll inhale, lifting the knees, placing the right ankle to the left thigh, resting here or hugging the legs up to the chest. Supine pigeon pose. And release, switching sides. Left ankle to the right thigh, rest here or hug it in. We'll gently release, hugging the knees to the chest. We'll grab the outer edges of the feet. Both feet should touch. Option to rock side to side. Release, one last hug, good squeeze, and we'll come to our seat. Left leg straightens, right knee opens. Inhale, go ahead and side stretch towards your left. We'll inhale, release, planting the right foot inside the left knee or on the outside. Sitting tall as you exhale, twist. Back to center, side stretch towards your right. straightening the right leg, flexing the right toes towards the sky, pressing into that right heel. Allow the left knee to fall open. As you exhale, side stretch towards the left. We'll inhale back to center. We're going to go ahead and take a side stretch towards the right. Inhale back to center. As you exhale, begin to fold forward, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. And we'll gently release, doing the same thing on the other side. Release, planting the left foot on the inside of the right knee or on the outside, sitting tall once again, grabbing the left knee into the sit bones. As you exhale, taking a twist towards the left. Inhale back to center, planting both feet on the mat. Begin to rock both knees side to side, depending on how low you can get the knees here. Doing all these poses within 30 days, you should begin to see flexibility in your legs and your hips. Perfect. We'll come back to seated. Inhaling the hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.